good, man. All right, so we are at the Leestown Coffee House.
Yes,
About
sir.
ready to get it going.
Slow blank.
That's good. The epoxy guys are here. Get you some trash bags.
Good.
I know. Hey. Hey, how are you?
Good.
We're doing the floor?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just putting that up.
Yeah, I understand. Hey. How you guys doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Doing all right. You guys ready for a nice new floor?
Yes.
Nice. So we're not rushing you guys. Our plan, what we're going to do, we're going to put some plastic all the way out through the front door so we don't track anything on anything.
Okay.
So.
I don't want to forget it here, then we need it the next job.
Yeah, well, we're going to.
You guys don't very fast.
Yeah. All right, so let's just start right here. Put some plastic down all the way. This might be all right if we can lay it, overlap it a little bit, not at an angle. Get on top of the plastic. Get on top of it. There you go. All right. When we pull this plastic over, I want to fold it over this way and just kind of like encapsulate some of this water.
Yeah, for sure.
So it doesn't get on the floor. We're going to start right here at this threshold. Oh.
Double.
Put that up there. Yeah, you can go ahead and get out of here if you want, or I don't. Or you
No,
need
I'm just here
something?
to help. You know,
Okay.
whatever you guys need at this point is I'm here for it.
Start pulling it away from the wall up there. Pick your shot out there. I got this. I don't know if that's going to fit in there like that.
I'll just take it straight up to the dumpster then.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, no problem.
Do you need more tape? I can probably dig some up.
Oh no, this will work. We've got plenty here. Okay, we got scissors. That's perfect.
What else do you need?
That's pretty much it, man. You can. We don't. Just go try
You don't
to.
need me to hang out?
Yeah,
I'll
go relax. Go hang out with Pops, or go to Goodwill or something. Go get some food.
Sure. Okay, cool. I
Yeah.
live right across the street, so if y'all need literally anything, even if it's tools or
Okay.
need me to go to Home Depot, just say the word.
Yeah, so yeah, I'll give you a shout when we get done putting this base coat down and broadcasting the flakes, and then we'll start that time tick for 2 hours, and then we got another floor we're going to go top coat. We backed them up today. We're going to go top coat that one, and then we're going to come back and top coat this one, and then we'll be good.
Cool. All right. Seriously, just say the word if you need
Yeah,
anything.
no
six or
problem.
whatever. Just,
I appreciate you, bro.
All right. People are going to want to come in because they'll think we're open. So make sure that you lock the door. You just got to pull it
Yeah,
through a little.
that's all right. I'll just stick him on him. We got the video cameras. I got this camera going. We'll just do some WWE in here and kick them out.
All right, thanks, guys.
Thanks, man.
Alrighty then.
Grab it. Yeah.
Let me get the other stuff.
Well, hold on. Hold on. Here, let's turn it. Let's do this side because it's a straight edge. So where's your tape at? So it don't. And I see how we're literally.
You go harder than that.
No, it's perfect.
Some other.
that should be good for now. Get me started on all this over here, but I'm gonna have to pound it over here so it fills in all the.
So you about to take it to Pound Town?
About to take it to Pound Town.
Scraper and broom's all we're gonna need,
Huh?
huh? Scraper and a broom.
I'm gonna vacuum.
A vacuum. That's right. Blue tape in there?
Huh?
Blue tape.
What?
Blue tape in there? Here it is.
All right. So it's 7 o'clock. Obviously, you can see it's dark outside here. We went ahead and put the base coat down. We used this new product that we're excited to use called Resin Works. We had a quick cure vapor barrier that's an elastomeric body coat that we were able to put down. It dried in a couple hours, so we put that down, broadcasted the flakes, and now I'm about to pull back up to the job here to put down the top coat from Resin Works. And so here's the parking lot right here. We're about to pull in and get this thing. All right. Where's it at? The kit?
Everything's in there.
Okay. All right, good deal. So as you can see here, we put this base coat down and broadcasted the flakes, so it's got a nice solid look here to it. And man, I think they're just going to love this floor in here. It's going to be super easy for them to clean and super slip resistant as well. You know, when the customers peek around the counter and they look back here, they see a nice floor like this. It just kind of creates the flow for the whole business and makes people happy about the money that they're spending, because especially, you know, coffee nowadays, it's quite expensive. So here's this new product that we're using. This is a Level Guard Clear from Resin Works, and guys, I just got to brag on them a little bit. They have great customer service and great products. So if you're in the business or you're looking to install epoxy, this is some great material right here. And it comes in a short filled 3-gallon kit. So you got this 2 gallons of A. We're going to drop this whole gallon of B right down in here, and we don't have to buy any extra buckets. We mix it in there, and when we're done, we throw it away. Go ahead and drop her down. That's one thing about doing these floors most people don't realize. You know, when we get to this point where we're just top coating it or broadcasting the flakes, we make it look easy, you know.
Yeah.
But like, the bigger picture is the amount of time that's spent.
Like on the 10-hour day today is a little harder.
Oh yeah, well, especially because we've had like 10-hour days recently.
excited. My whole head's hot.
Huh?
My whole head's hot right now.
Yeah, no, I'm burning up. Here, pull this back. You gotta get this stuff out of my way. All right. Did you cut everything in real good, David?
Everything.
Huh?
Yeah, everything.
Sweet.
Hey,
Looks good.
Yeah.
it's looking really good.
What do you think?
Yeah, I'm excited. Looks fantastic. I am.
When you went over this, did you get in there real good?
Got it in that.
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna first take this flake out. Gets a little bit of denatured. You get the bottom of that white bucket before I take it out.
Okay.
Friend Gardner, we were all at West 6 when you called, so
Hey,
we're all here now.
That's all right. There's nothing wrong with West 6.
All right. Cool. Well,
I will be done literally in like
no, just
a minute and 30 seconds.
well, let me write you a check. Oh, Rose didn't come by this week.
So even though that this is sealed in really good, it's still got some slip resistant texture to it for, you know, obviously your employees and while they're back here with coffee and everything else.
Yeah, and we are we're putting in a floor drain beginning of the year. Needed to stagger all the work so that I could budget it accordingly.
I understand. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Doing this. Are you planning on maybe putting up some baseboards?
Yes,
Down there over
I
there?
have them all.
Okay.
It's going to be,
Like a rubber molding or
There you
something?
go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
and then we're going to put quarter round back, probably around the sink behind you. City would I'm sure bitch if they knew.
Yeah, well, probably. I don't know. It's Lexington.
Cool. Really great. I wish I'd done this on the whole floor when we first opened rather than.
Yeah. Well, we can do the rest of the floor whenever you're ready.
Yeah,
If that's something you want to do.
it is. The problem is that for me to do the rest of the floor, I would need to close the lobby and the drive-through,
Yeah.
and that's the hard bit. Oh, my bad, man. Trim around the base of all of the wells.
So you like it? You're happy with it?
Oh, yeah, of course.
All right. Cool. Cool.